This real estate advantage property video is presented by Daryl Green. Located in a quiet and inviting neighborhood, you'll find this well-maintained 2-unit property. It offers the convenience of low-maintenance living with electric baseboard heat throughout and separate electric water heaters for each unit. Not only is this property move-in ready condition but includes off-street parking with a paved driveway and plenty of space for a future garage. The second-floor unit is currently being leased and occupied by one tenant. Schedule your showing today and witness everything this property has to offer. For more information, review the details below or contact Daryl Green at 919-900-0407.